Hello students, myself Miss Nidhi Borana. Today we are starting with Standard 8 Revati's Musical Plants Part 3. I have already posted the video of Part 1 and Part 2. The link for the same is given in the description box below. I'll also request you students to watch the video completely so to understand it in a better way. I have even posted the meanings with it so it will be easier for you to understand. So, without wasting any further time, let's begin with the chapter. Before we begin with part 3, let's revise the part 1 and part 2. In part 1 and 2, you have seen that Revati is a music student and she loves to play the Mohanam Rag sitting on the cement bench in her courtyard. And she had seen that her plans do the movement while she is playing her favorite rag. So basically, her plants respond to her music, and that is what she had kept secret from everyone. And she was also about to participate in the best plant contest. And before a day of the contest, she notices that her pot of plants are missing from her courtyard. When she rushes to the contest place, she sees that these are her pot of plants and she have complained to the organizers. And organizers have asked her to prove that these are her pot of plants. So till here we have seen in part 1 and 2. You can go and check out both the videos and the link for the same is given in the description box just below. Okay, so moving ahead with part 3. Revati wondered how to convince them. She sat there for a few minutes, looking at the plants. The sight of the plants bending towards her while she played her violin flashed across her mind. Now, what happens over here, students? Revati already अपने plants खो चुकी है. She have lost her plants, okay? And now she is sitting over there thinking about her plants, that she is playing the violin और उसके plants उसकी तरफ बेंट हो रहे हैं. So वो ये सारी चीजें imagine कर रही है. She told the organizers that she could prove the plants were hers. She ran home. She returned a few minutes later with a violin in. They all started laughing, but their ridicule did not deter her from her mission. Yes, students. So, what happened over here? उसने organizer से कहा that yes, I can prove that these plants are mine. And to prove this, वो भागकर घर जाती है and few minutes later she comes back with her violin. And seeing her with a violin, everybody starts laughing कि ये prove करेगी कि plants मेरे हैं through her violin. ये कैसी बात हो गई? But they are ridiculed. Ridicule means to make fun of, did not deter. Deter means to discourage from her mission. And over here, what was her mission? Her mission was to prove that these are her plants. So कितना भी लोग उसका मजाक उड़ाए, वो इससे discourage नहीं होने वाली थी. Revati was going to complete her mission of proving these plants were hers. Moving ahead, she told them, I know my plants and I share a secret with them. My plants are music lovers just like me, and you could see how they respond when I play to them. Yes, after bringing the violin, she sat over there और उसने सबसे कहा कि मैं मेरे प्लांट्स को जानती हूँ that they are music lovers like me and this is the secret that nobody else knows but just me and my plants. They all laughed louder. लोगों ने और जोरों से हंसना शुरू किया. उन्होंने पहली बार सुन रहे थे कि प्लांट्स म्यूजिक एंजॉय करता है. मतलब प्लांट्स को क्या सुनाई देता है कि वो म्यूजिक एंजॉय कर सकेंगे. They asked her. All the people standing over there asked Revati, do plants have ears like us to enjoy the music? No one believed her. Yeah, they all asked Revati कि क्या plants को भी हमारी तरह ears है कि वो हमें सुन सकते हैं? But no one believed her. She felt very dejected. Dejected means very disappointed, but was determined. Determined means she was firm on her decision to do something. उसने ठान लिया था कि I will win my plants back. She sat near the plants with a violin and slowly started playing her favorite rag. ओके वो वहां पे बैठी और स्लोली अपना फेवरेट राग उसने प्ले करना शुरू किया. Engrossed in her music. Engrossed means to completely getting observed into something, yeah, to completely focus on something. Okay, so she got engrossed into her music completely. She forgot her plans for the time being. But log baki ke, they could not believe what their eyes were seeing. When she was playing the violin, the people watched that the plants were moving. They were straight at first and then the plants have bent slightly. But Revati वहाँ रुकी नहीं. She kept on playing and playing. Their stems bent towards Revati as though they wanted to touch her in their happiness. Yeah, what did people notice? People noticed that the plants were bending so much towards Revati as if those plants were trying to touch Revati out of happiness. They were happy to hear Revati's music again. So, what is ahead? The organizers were stunned. Stunned over here means they were shocked or to be astonished, surprised. They had watched a new phenomenon of plants responding to music, and Revati had become a great discoverer. Okay, क्या हुआ यहाँ पे? वो organizers भी shocked हो चुके थे. First time they have saw something new. Phenomenon means some wonderful thing, a wonder of plants responding to music. उन्हें तभी पता चला कि plants भी music respond करते हैं music को. And this was the thing that was discovered by Revati. They all applauded her. Applauded means to clap. Okay. Said they were convinced. Convinced मतलब मान गए हैं. उन्होंने ये believe कर लिया है कि this plant are of Revati. That the plant were of hers. They pulled up her neighbor for cheating them, and she accepted after a long argument. Pulled up means to tell something that someone that they have done something wrong. किसी को बताना कि उन्होंने गलत किया है. तो सब ने जाके नेबर को पकड़ा कि हाँ तुमने चीटिंग की है. बहुत बड़े आर्ग्यूमेंट के बाद finally the neighbor accepted that she have stolen Revati's plants. She said while walking past Revati's house, she had spotted the plants and had removed the pot in the night to her house and submitted it later for the contest. What did the neighbor say? That last night, you remember, students? Revati के घर उसके कुछ neighbors आए थे. They have praised the Revati's plants also. Yeah. So neighbor ने वो plants को देखा and plants were very healthy and good looking. So इसीलिए रात को जाकर उस neighbor ने वो potted plant ले लिया. And next day she submitted the plant in the contest with her name. As she was a regular participant, किसी ने उस पे doubt नहीं किया. The authorities had decided that Revati's plant deserves the first prize and they were best looking and healthy. So if the question comes in the exam, who deserve the first prize? You have to write Revati's plant deserve the first prize. And why do they deserve the first prize? Because they were good looking and healthy. Revati carried home the prize proudly with her pot of plants. Yes, Revati ने finally prove कर दिया कि ये उसके हैं और उसके लिए उसे reward भी मिला था. And she happily took the pot of plants at her home back. The plants were happy, the Revati was happy, and all the people over there were also happy to discover something new like plants love music. Okay, so with this, we are done with the chapter. And here I come up again with some questions. The question for part 3 is, how did Revati convince the organizers that the pot of plant was her? And what was the final decision of the organizer? Okay, so do try answering it so that even I get to know that you understood the chapter very well. With this, I'll sign off. Thank you so much. And do let me know in the comment section below that what is the next part that you would like me to explain. Thank you so much once again. Do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.